Today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Man Refuses to Leave Gas Station, Fights Police.
Police respond to an unwanted guest report and immediately encounter a belligerent man who refuses commands, becomes argumentative, and attempts to instigate a physical altercation during a trespass warning.
So, as a whole, now that the officer of the law is here and he is calm, you're calm, right? I said you're calm.
You want to trespass?
Yes, sir.
Have your ID on you?
No, sir.
You have an ID?
He just shook my hand and said I can go.
I still want you to
He said, yeah, but. He said, yeah, but.
You're not free to leave now.
Are you giving me an option to go? Because he said I was
you don't have an option right now.
Why?
You're going to get your
What's my
information,
name?
and then you're going to be trespassed.
For?
Because he asked you to be trespassed. So you're going to be trespassed.
Well, what's the issue?
He doesn't need a reason.
Okay,
it's
so
his
I'm
business.
I'm going to leave.
No, you're not free to leave yet.
All right.
Sir, I'm going to put you in handcuffs and keep walking away.
My license in my car. So if you don't understand my license in my car.
Where you at? Back up and
Why?
get out of my face right now.
I'm standing on the lower part of the curb. You just walked out the door
Step over
towards
here.
me. He did the same thing.
Step over here.
He assaulted me.
Step over here right now, please.
Okay, I'm gonna go step over here, but I want you to understand, I didn't do
Great.
nothing in your face.
Step
You
over
walked
here
out of a
right
closed door. I'm gonna listen to you, but I didn't. But I did not do anything in your face.
You're not listening.
You walked out of a closed door.
You're still not stepping
Okay,
over
so are we
the
clear?
path.
I didn't do anything in your
Have you
face.
stepped over
I'm
there
saying,
yet?
are we clear? I didn't do anything in your face.
Have you stepped over there
Correct,
yet?
but I'm saying, can we get past?
Do I need to put you in handcuffs?
All right,
or
you're gonna
follow
put me. All right.
directions?
Standing over here, did I put anything in your face?
Perfect.
Did I do anything in your face? Did I do anything in your face right there?
192 on Maurice. Were we able to run the tag?
I was gonna pick up my daughter from a daycare.
215 phone in the code.
Can I say something?
What do you have to say?
I would like to press charges for the assault.
Okay, so like I said, you've been trespassed from the premises. If you have an issue of something that occurred here today, you're gonna have to go off the
I
property.
was assaulted before.
You're gonna have to go off the property, and you're gonna have to call 911, or actually, sorry, the non-emergency
You're
incident.
911.
The non-emergency
You're
incident
911.
and report it then.
All
But
right.
you have to get off the property right now, sir.
Yeah, you ain't gonna play me. I know the law.
I'm not gonna ask you again. You're gonna be subject to arrest unless you leave the property.
It's gonna be a fat lawsuit.
Sir, would you like to go to jail? Want to go to jail?
Try me. Try me. Try me.
Get in your car and leave. Or I'm
Yeah,
gonna take
that's
you to
what I
jail.
thought. You weren't gonna do it the first go when I said try me.
Get in your car and leave.
You ain't
Or
gonna
you're
do
gonna
it.
go to jail.
Yeah, that's why you hesitated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get in your car and go to jail. Or go to jail.
Hello? Oh, get in your car and go to jail?
I said get in your car or go to jail. Ah!
Hey, officer.
Butler. ID
Officer
37926.
Butler, watch me. Hey, Officer Butler came out here and reported. He asked the guy to trespass me. The guy got my information for a trespass.
Do I have somebody call 911 from the same address?
He drive off the property, so to call 911. Now he's threatening me, and then I tried to walk to my car to get the
Get in your car and leave,
He
or you're
asked
gonna
me
be
for
taken
my
to jail.
information verbally, because there was no restraint.
He gonna take him to jail because he keeps stopping. Walk to your car and just drive off the property. You making it a big deal. They gonna get you together. You know what I'm saying? Your day gonna go from bad to worse real quick.
No altercation, and then he just telling me basically threats, trying to manipulate me off the property. But then I said, at least since I gotta leave the property, can I at least get a report that this guy assaulted me right here on the property? He wants me to walk.
Hey, grab your ID for me. Hey, get in your car or I'm gonna take you to jail.
Because you saying get in your car and talk to go to jail. I was telling you, I'll get by the guy that.
Get in your car or I'm gonna take you to jail.
All right. You know what? I got you. Because it's weird. They one park in front of me. Can I move? Can you move? He's behind me. He's behind me. And I'm on the phone with 911. One of y'all gotta move. Because when I call 911 back, your ass is dragged.
He's calling in. Hey, step out of the vehicle.
What?
Step out of the vehicle.
What do you mean? Whoa.
Told him to call a non-emergency number.
You just told me I could leave. Hello? You just told me I could leave.
Get out of the vehicle or I'm gonna tase you.
You just told me I could leave.
Get out of the vehicle.
He told him you gotta call the non-emergency line, not 911, because that's for emergencies. This is not an emergency. You done. Misuse of 911 services probably.
Or I'm gonna tase you.
Bro, I got a daughter, bro. You just told me I could
Get out of the vehicle or you're gonna be tased.
You just told me I could leave.
It's the last chance.
You just told me I could leave.
Get out of the car.
Oh, got him together. Oh, got him right. Oh, hold on.
Tell me I could leave. What is going on?
Oh,
What is going on? Bro, I got a daughter, bro. I got a daughter.
oh.
I got a daughter. What's going on? He just told me I could leave. He just told me I could leave.
Oh boy, got his ass right.
Bro, he just told me to leave. He was moving his car. I got in the car. Bro, weren't you just gonna move your car? Yeah, but you called 911. I was out there on camera. I was scared. Yeah, but you were calling 911. Yes, because... Why were you calling 911 for here? No, because that guy assaulted me. What the hell?
Roll over on your side.
Wow, I didn't call 911 on him. Bro, I called 911 because that guy hit me. And then he told me I gotta leave the property. Yeah.
All right, 1, 2, 3, get up.
Got him right.
Bro, that's crazy, bro.
Take a seat.
Okay. Can I put my pants up at least? Look, can you help me put my pants up? Dog, I'm not even fighting you. Are you ready to fight me? Damn, that's crazy. Okay.
Watch your leg.
Butler.
Watch your leg.
Yeah, he got to change the tune now.
You came in here and you started an issue.
No, I didn't even go in the gas
Listen.
station. Check the cameras.
Bro, when I just walked in there, you were
Yes,
standing
because I was
Hey,
going to
are
pay
you
for
gonna
gas.
listen or not? You
The
gonna
guy
listen?
told-
Listen.
Bro, I'm
The
gonna listen
moment
to
I
your
came
story.
here, you were belligerent with me the whole time. You were arguing with me the whole time. In the state of Florida, a business.
I was not belligerent.
You're arguing.
I was not.
I'm saying right now, you're not listening.
But you said I was belligerent.
You know what belligerent means?
Bro, God bless you, God. I'm not angry or nothing.
Anyway.
Oh,
in the state of
God.
Florida, a business can have you trespass for any
And I
reason.
stayed for you. What do you guys charge?
He don't listen.
I'm gonna charge him with misuse of resources. I'm gonna charge him with trespassing after warning. And I'm gonna charge him with resisting.
Sir, hear me out for a second. How am I supposed to leave if you pull in front of me? And I literally was trying to leave.
Hey, they're here to check your vitals. Can you
Told you, misuse of 911 services. Yep, they gonna get him on that. That's a fact.
But I literally tried to leave when they attacked me. And then I got tased. I still am not impulsive. I'm trying to speak my truth. Bro, you can't do this unless y'all agree to let me go. I would do whatever vitals check so we can square this off. I got a daughter in daycare. A daughter and a woman that's waiting on me. They have my location. I swear on my life. I was walking off the premises to make the call. He said, I gotta get in my car. I walked over to my car. As soon as I opened my door, that officer pulled in front. I don't see how I resisted to leave after being told verbally that I was gonna be trespassed because he wrote down all my information in his little book. So it's like, by him giving me a verbal, if you felt, he's a guy that's outspoken. If I was really assaulting you, like how you felt in the moment, you would have did your job and you would have had me in handcuffs by yourself, correct? So if you saw me going towards my car,
He's gonna go get you medical.
I'm trying to figure out.
For another day.
You see what I'm saying? How do you tase me?
Go get him medical clearance.
Oh, I knew you would be here. I knew you would be here. You're the one that pushed the pin in my hand. I didn't react. God bless you, son. You'll be judging the afterlife.
The chaotic encounter resulted in the man being charged with resisting with violence, trespass, and false 911 call. The confrontation was so severe that the officer had to deploy a taser to gain compliance. Despite the escalation and the felony charge for resisting, the state attorney's office ultimately dropped all charges, no file, just over a month later.
Wow. Dropped all charges? I mean, how is that? You got misuse of 911 services all day long at the bare minimum. If you're not gonna get, the whatchamacallit, the trespass and all of that, you got misuse of 911 all day long, like clear as day. You on the phone with 911 and 911 is in your presence. If to file that complaint or whatever, he told you to call the non-emergency line. Damn, dropped all charges? Wow, that's crazy. I think the officers did all right, man. They got his ass together, man. So in my book, I give him 4 out of 5, man. You know what I'm saying? He was taking mad long to leave and all that, and gotta get him together, man. So shit. Fuck it. 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.